Imagine you've just discovered a hidden gem of a restaurant. The food is amazing, the atmosphere is perfect, and you're already planning your next visit. But then, you get your bill and realize it's way more expensive than you expected. You're disappointed, but you're also curious. How did this happen? And most importantly, can you get your money back? This is a similar situation many people find themselves in when it comes to their Qonto account. You might have made an accidental payment, or perhaps you're simply unhappy with the service. Whatever the reason, you're probably wondering, how do I get a refund from Qonto? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand a bit more about Qonto. It's a popular online banking platform that caters primarily to small businesses and freelancers. While it offers a range of features, it's essential to know that refunds can sometimes be a bit more complex compared to traditional banks. Refund request process. Check your terms and conditions. The first step is to review Qonto's terms and conditions. These documents will outline the specific procedures and timelines for refund requests. Pay close attention to any conditions or limitations that may apply. Contact Qonto customer support. Once you've familiarized yourself with the terms, reach out to Qonto's customer support. They're your best resource for getting a refund. You can contact them via phone, email, or live chat. Provide detailed information. When contacting customer support, be prepared to provide as much detail as possible about your refund request. This includes the date and amount of the transaction you want to dispute, a clear explanation of why you're requesting a refund, any supporting documentation, such as receipts or screenshots. Understand the refund process. Qonto's customer support team will guide you through the refund process. They may need to investigate the transaction or gather additional information before making a decision. Be patient and follow their instructions carefully. Timelines and appeal process. Understand the expected timeline for your refund. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, Qonto may have an appeal process in place. Make sure to inquire about this option if necessary. Common refund scenarios. Accidental payments. If you've accidentally made a payment to the wrong recipient or for the wrong amount, Qonto may be able to reverse the transaction. Unsatisfactory services. In some cases, you may be eligible for a refund if you're unhappy with Qonto's services. This might include issues with their platform, customer support, or fees. Chargebacks. If you've made a purchase through Qonto and the seller fails to deliver the goods or services as promised, you may be able to initiate a chargeback. Tips for a successful refund. Act promptly. The sooner you initiate a refund request, the better your chances of a successful outcome. Be polite and persistent. Approach customer support with a polite and respectful tone. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, don't hesitate to follow up. Keep documentation. Maintain a record of all communications with Qonto, including emails, phone calls, and chat transcripts. This can be helpful if you need to escalate the issue. Getting a refund from Qonto may require some patience and persistence, but it's often possible. By following the steps outlined in this video and understanding your rights, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome. Remember, if you're facing difficulties with your refund request, don't hesitate to reach out to Qonto's customer support or seek advice from a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.